What is an extra income and how you can have an extra income? Extra income means an income that you can earn apart from the regular income coming in from employment or normal work. This earning can be used to pay off your outstanding debts or build up a capital account or spend it on luxuries that you could only think about before. Everyone seems to want a second income, but no one wants to work a second job, so the extra income is normally seen as a windfall. When we compare income levels in different countries, it is evident that the average income per person is less than $15,000 a year. In other words, where many people are near the breadline, extra income really does make people happier and improves their lifestyle. But countries which have average income above the normal subsistence level of approximately $15,000 a year, happiness seems to be income independent. For example, an average American ranks richer than an average Indian or an Austrian, but also less happy. Why does this happen? People always look at their income relatively with some norm or the other, and the norm keeps rising all the time. And this norm is what increases the spending, more or less in direct proportion to the income. Two things drive up the norm with which people compare their incomes. One is the income that they themselves have experienced, which habituates them to higher standards of living. And the other is the income that their colleagues or neighbors get, and which they try to outdo. The extra income options available today are targeted to generate employment and are targeted specifically at people who can use their skills that are lying dormant to make some more money for themselves. To achieve a moderate success in generating an extra income, one should be aware of their strengths and weaknesses. This would greatly help in selection of a most suitable way to generate extra income. The selection process consists of logical steps. Firstly, one should ask themselves of an honest opinion of their strengths, what they excel at. What do people around them keep complimenting or criticizing them on? Are they perfectionists? For example, if you are a computer literate, you could help your neighborhood in upgrades, repairs, or installation of software. The extra income can also be augmented by doing extra seasonal chores like raking leaves in the fall or clearing snow in winters. These are just a few ideas, but making an extra income augmented with self-analysis will take away the need for a second job. Today, the internet and the general market have a lot of ideas for generating extra income. Network marketing in general market terms has been successful to some extent. Internet offers something similar that says affiliate marketing. The internet also offers a host of other options like writing, advertising, and simple technical non-technical jobs which can highly augment your regular income. The extra income that can be earned from these opportunities depends on how good your skills in the field of your selection. My favorite source of an extra income is the one with a potential to replace my regular income coming from my regular job. I am lucky to find it. Now this is no longer a source of my extra income, but it is my main source of income. After just doing it for few months, I saw the big potential that this is going to be my main source of income. If anybody watching this would like to know more about it, I am willing to help anyone who are tired of their 9-to-5 job and transition to be an online entrepreneur. For a limited time only, we are inviting a few people to sign up on the link below to watch our workshop webinar on how you can start your own online business. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. Give it a try. And I will see you in the inside.